In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on eBay with this beginner-friendly tutorial. Whether you're looking to start shopping or selling on eBay, getting yourself set up with an account is the first step. And I'm here to guide you through it, so let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your internet browser and head over to ebay.com. This is the main website, your gateway to accessing everything that eBay has to offer, from buying unique items to setting up your own shop. Once you're on the eBay homepage, you'll see a variety of categories, deals, and promotions, but for now, let's focus on getting you signed up. Look towards the top of the page, and you'll find a button that says Register. It's usually located right next to the Sign In option if you're on a desktop. Clicking on Register will take you to a new page where the account creation process begins. It's a simple and intuitive interface designed to make the process as smooth as possible for new users. On the registration page, you'll need to provide some basic personal information. Start by entering your name. This should be your real name, as this is how eBay will identify you in its ecosystem. After your name, enter your email address. Make sure to use an email that you check regularly, since eBay will send important notifications about your account and any transactions to this email. Next, you'll create a password. Choose something secure, combining letters, numbers, and symbols if possible, to ensure that your account is well protected. A strong password will help keep your account safe from unauthorized access. Once you've entered this information, you're ready to finalize your registration. Complete the process by clicking on the Create Account button, which is prominently displayed on the page. After clicking, your account will be created, and you'll be directed to your new eBay dashboard. Congratulations, you've just set up your eBay account. From this dashboard, you can now explore eBay's offerings. Start browsing for items, observe auctions, maybe even place a bid on something that catches your eye. If selling is what you're interested in, you can also begin listing products from here. eBay provides a lot of potential, whether you're a buyer or a seller, and now you have full access to take advantage of it. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Creating an account is your first step towards tapping into the incredible marketplace that is eBay. If you found this guide helpful, stick around for more beginner-friendly tutorials, and happy shopping or selling on eBay.